Hi and hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about Google Classroom. As you all know that in this pandemic COVID-19 environment, almost all schools have shifted to online classrooms, and this has become a necessity. So therefore, I thought about creating a tutorial in which we discuss how to set up Google Classroom and what are its features and how you can all benefit from it. Almost all teachers are now uh, like like before they were working through their physical classroom, but the potential of virtual classroom is huge. Within a time you can access or teach large number of students. At the same time, you can distribute material, you can take assignments or give assignments, or you can discuss large number of students at a time. Besides that, the students also get flexibility of time, and same as with the teachers. So there could be number of advantages. But this video is basically to discuss one of the virtual classroom environment, that is Google Classroom. So let's move forward with this. What is Google Classroom? It enables teachers to create an online classroom area. Now, this is a virtual classroom area. Just like Google Drive or Google Docs or Google Spreadsheet, you can create a Google Classroom environment that specializes in student teacher interface. And this is one of the key umbrella term that describes the Google Classroom. It creates an interface between the students and teachers, which is virtual classroom. And the interface is designed in a way that it resembles the student teacher thinking and how they would work. There are a number of facilities or features that is provided by Google Classroom for the teachers and for the students. And just to begin with, teachers can easily create assignments. Now, the assignment teachers in this new era, they are more like facilitators, especially when we talk about uh, grown-up kids. So assignment is one of the key features, or you can call it one of the key functions that a teacher perform, and through this teacher is able to assess what is the current level of students learning and where he is progressing, what are his shortcomings, and what are his strengths. So this is an extremely important feature. Google Classroom helps create assignments and distribute assignments very easily. You can easily create deadline for the students to submit their assignment, and it also helps students to prepare the assignment or complete the assignment. Whereas for teachers, it helps teachers to create and prepare for the assignment material. This next feature that we are going to discuss is make announcements. Now, announcements is extremely important. Every now and then we see in this current dynamic environment of world today, there are a number of times that we have to make announcement, and that announcement has to be accessible to all of them, all the students, or sometimes to colleagues and teachers as well. So the key feature that is provided by this virtual classroom is it helps to easily create announcements, and announcements are easily accessible according to the course in which it is created to all the students. So students can easily access it and reply to that announcement if that is required. Store classroom materials. Now whatever is done in the classroom, there could be numerous activities that could be done in the classroom, like for example creating a slide or presentation, or answering questions, brainstorming session. These all ends up in creating a lot of classroom material. Now, Google Classroom helps to save that classroom material, and that could be stored in Google Drive or in the Google Classroom, accessible to all of the students or maybe to teacher only. So that can be accessed as per the discretion of the teacher, and if teacher requires it to be accessed by students, they can grant access to the students as well. So the material is very safe, accessible, and viewable by teachers, and according to the discretion of teachers to students as well. Students and teachers interaction is one of the key thing that helps learning, or that encourages students to learn, and this feature is also available in this virtual environment. It enables to interact, to discuss, to give assignments, to communicate on assignments, or to make announcement. So the interaction between the students and teachers is available in Google Classroom. Now we're going to discuss that in detail as well, and I'm going to also demo you how to create a sample Google Classroom so that you can use that whenever you need, and that we're going to do in our next class. At the moment, we are going to discuss how students and teachers interact in the virtual environment, that is Google Classroom. There are a number of key interactions. The first one is live interaction between students and teachers, where they can discuss a topic, send instant messages among all the students, and the teacher could reply back with answers or anything important that they wanted to, that he or she wanted to share. The other key interaction points are giving assignments, announcements through email. So these are all of the part of the student teacher interaction. You all know that in the teaching and learning environment, interaction between students and teacher play the key role. And if that interaction is healthy, the end result could be is mostly that students are one step ahead in their learning, if not couple of them. So this type of interaction environment is there in this virtual environment, and students and teachers both alike can benefit from it. How to create the Google Classroom environment, just besides demo, uh, if we discuss the steps, Google Classroom environment can be created just like a Google app. You need an email account to use Google Classroom, and if you have that, you can create a Google Classroom environment. If not, the other way around is you can get an education account set up through Google Suite. Generally, this is the account set up by accredited school, and if you are looking to get it set up, you can ask your teacher or the school IT admin to get it set up. So we're going to show this in the form of demo in the next video, so stay tuned. If you're looking to get connected, you can message us through email, and you can subscribe to this channel to get an updated idea of what you are looking to do. It's all done for now. You can use this amazing technology to learn and take benefit, and to improve your learning. The teachers can use this to impart education to all their students, and definitely in this pandemic environment, when schools are closed, you can use this online platform to impart education and cannot be stopped by this virus. So stay tuned for the next video. If you find this video useful, subscribe to this channel, and besides that, you can also subscribe to this channel to get an updated idea of what we are doing, and what and how you can get help from this from us. looking to get connected, you can also message us. Thank you.